Hello guys, welcome to the Data channel. So in today's video we are going to be talking about this boom across scalping strategy, and this strategy right here is a strategy you can use to scalp, and it's also a strategy you can use to catch 20 to 30 swings in the price. Okay, so stay tuned, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how the strategy works, the settings for the strategy, and what you need to take your profit and your stop loss using this exact strategy. Okay, so let's dive into this video. Hey traders, today's video is sponsored by SNS Broker, your instant and most reliable broker to start trading. And this broker is very reliable, and you can start trading any type of instruments, including forex, indices, crypto, energies, and all type of instruments you can see in this forex market. And this broker, you can start trading it with just $1. Okay, if you have small accounts, if you have small money, you can start trading with this broker with just $1, and you can have partners without no transfer fees, any type, and we are going to have 2,000 spread. Okay, and this broker offers some discount if you sign up with them. Okay, so if you want to get started, the link is going to be in the description video, so you can check it out and get started with this broker. So what we have to do, just go to this icon we are seeing at the top. So when you click on this icon, the first indicator we are going to be adding is the Ichimoku. So at the way I this up, we click on this main chart F plus, we search for Ichimoku, and this is the parameters. Now the period, the indication is 8, the duration is 22, the span is 50, and for the style you only need the indication, so click on save. So that is the first indicator we are going to be adding for the strategy. Now moving on to the next indicator, which is the moving average. So at the way this up, you click on this moving average right here, and this is the parameters. Now the period is 17, shift is 2. Method is simple, apply to previous indicators data, and for the style, use any color of your choice and click on save. So that's the second indicator we are going to be adding for this strategy. Now to the next indicator, which is the RSI. So at the way this up, we click on this main chart F plus as well. We search for RSI and this the parameters. And the period is 5, apply to close, and the style you set it as a background color. Now for the levels, we need the 10 and the 90 levels. Go back, then click on save. So that is the RSI settings. Now to the next indicator, which is the Ichimoku. So at the way this up, we click on this indicator window 1 F plus. We search for Ichimoku, and this is the parameters. Now the indication is 8, the indication is 50, the span is 22, and we only need the indication style. So click on save, and that's the Ichimoku settings. Now to the last indicator, which is the oscillator, click on indicator window 1 F plus as well. Now for the oscillator, this is the parameters. You just have to set it as default, then click on save, and that is the indicators we need for this strategy right here. Okay, so let's dive into how the strategy works and the take profit for the strategy. Okay, so here I'm going to be using this 900 as an example, and I'm going to use this price action move for example as well. Now what can you see right here? The first thing we are to do whenever we want to take a trade with this strategy is that whenever we always want to go for a buy, we always want to look for the momentum of the oscillator. I mean, we are looking for a sell on boom, and we are looking for a buy on crash. Now if you are looking for a sell on boom, we always want to see that the oscillator is always at red arrows. It has to be at red lines. Okay, so it has to be at red lines. Okay, you have to turn from green volume to red volume. Okay, once you turn from this green right here into red, then that is a sign that the price wants to go for a sell trade. Now it's not just has to change in volume, it has to come straight to the 90 levels of the RSI, okay, which you can see it right here. So after this, we also want to see that the Chimoku line has to be at the 90 level as well, alongside with the awesome oscillator. Okay, so when we see these two confirmation, then we are now going to look into our main chart. Now what do we want to see in our main chart? Now after we see these criteria on this indicator window 1, then on our main chart we always want to see where the price, when the price is breaking below the first Ichimoku and also break below the moving average. Okay, so we have to break below the, okay, let me zoom so you guys can see. The price has to break below the Ichimoku, and it also has to break below the moving average. Now, not just breaking below it, we also want to see that this is the candle that was responsible for the break below of the moving average, and this is the candle that was responsible for the break below of the Ichimoku. Now, after we see this, we now want to look into this, and we want to see that both the moving average and the Ichimoku line cross each other, which happens right here. So after these criteria have been met, this first criteria, second criteria, and third criteria have been met, this is a time for us to take an entry. And what do we take our entries from? We take our entry from, after this candle right here, we wait for another 3 candles. then we enter right at this candle right here, which is this candle we are going to be enter our trade from. Okay, so that's how we take a trade with this strategy, and your stop loss should always be below the spike, the candle that was responsible for the break below of the moving average. And your take profit should always be that the area where the price spike last, that's the area your take profit should always be. So this is where your take profit will be, and this is where your stop loss will be. Okay, simple and a straightforward strategy. Okay, so let's go to crash, and I'm going to show you guys an example on crash as well. So we are going to be using this area here as an example for this recent trade. Now the first thing we always want to see is that we want to check the awesome oscillator volumes. Okay, is this changing from red to green? Once we see that it has changed from red to green, then we are now going to want to see it come straight to the RSI. Okay, it has to come to the RSI. So when we see this as well, we also want to see that the Ichimoku also has the 10 levels of the RSI. So after this criteria, then the next thing we do is also look into our main chart. And what do we want to see in our main chart? We want to see where there is a candle breaking above the moving average, which happens right at this area. So this is what I'm talking about. After we see our criteria on the indicator window 1, then we want to see a candle breaking above the Ichimoku. Once we see this, then we look into our main chart as well. We want to see a candle breaking above the moving average. Once we see these two criteria, then we wait for the Ichimoku and the moving average line to cross each other, and then we also wait for another 3 candles. Then we enter right at this candle right here. Now you can see something right here that immediately we enter our trade right here, we could see that we have a spike. So this spike right here is does not even come to this candle right here. Don't even come to this candle right here, because this is where our stop loss should always be whenever we are taking a trade with this strategy. So you can see that the candle is not even up to 3 candle. It's not even up to this 3 candle right here before it starts moving to our direction. And you can see your take profit should always be at the spike. Okay, so that is your take profit, and your stop loss should always be right at this area. So this is your stop loss, and this is your take profit using this exact strategy. Okay, so that is how strategy works, and that is what we need to know about this strategy. And there's nothing left with the strategy. You just have to go and backtest the strategy, work on the strategy as well on your side, and start using strategy to make your money. So thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and I will post new strategy. You guys will be happy. Okay, I really appreciate you guys for watching this video to the end, and I really appreciate you guys for subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. That is very important. Subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.
So, quick one, guys. If you want to scale up real quick, I mean, you want to start making bigger money, you want to start seeing bigger profits in the market, the first thing you have to do is to get a profit account. And how do you go about this? Is to click on the link in our description below to get to this platform. Now, when you get to the platform, now there's a profit that we usually use. That all the trades that we see us taking, we are taking it on the profit, and we are making bigger money. All the losses that you see us using, we are using it on that profit account. So, the profit is called Blueberry Funded. Now, how do you get this profit? Click on this link in the description below. So, you get to this platform, click on this search bar right here at the top. So, click on this search bar, just search for Blueberry. Okay, you see your Blueberry Funded, which you can see it right here. So, this is the Blueberry Funded. You click on it and you get 30% off for your purchase on this account. And there's something called liquidity right here, or liquidation here on this platform. So you get that liquidation when once you possess profit for this profit match, then you can get an account absolutely for free. Okay, so get this account here on this profit match, and you get 30% off on this account. So this is how you go about it. Just position an account, and you start making bigger money with bigger profits.